Now this is a 1864 Springfield muzzle-loading rifle from the Civil War era. It was on the Federal side, not the Confederate side. From what we could figure out from its numbers on it, it belonged to, this is the kind they gave lieutenants, or officers rather, and we took real good care of it. It's got a little bit of minor damage to it, but for the most part, it's a good example of that kind of rifle. Only damage it has to it is a little bit of breakage on the hammer, if that can be called a breakage. It's like a little bit of wear, so it was used somewhat. See, the metal's a little pitted, but overall it's in excellent condition. A real keeper. It's a very long rifle. About as tall as I am.